Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're brand new to Google Sheets or just looking to get a refresher on the basics in 2025, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to open up Google Sheets, create or import a spreadsheet, and understand the first steps of saving and exporting your work with confidence. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or whatever you like best. Just pull up a new tab. This is where it all starts, and having a fresh tab is helpful because you're less likely to get lost among other open pages. Now take a look up in the very top right corner of your Google page. You'll see a small square made up of 9 dots, almost like a tiny tic-tac-toe board. That's actually the shortcut to all of your Google apps. Click on those 9 dots. Sometimes people miss this and end up searching for an app directly, but trust me, this little grid is your key to everything from Gmail to Calendar and of course, Google Sheets. After clicking those dots, you'll spot the Google Sheets icon among the list of applications. Go ahead and select Google Sheets. It might take a few seconds to load, so don't worry if there's a short pause, that's totally normal. Once you're on the main Google Sheets page, you'll see a row of starter templates, but for today, let's keep things simple. Look for the big blank button, usually up in the top left area. Clicking blank will instantly open a fresh, empty spreadsheet. It's your clean slate, ready for data, numbers, anything you want. Now it's time to give your sheet a name. You'll see that up in the upper left where it probably says Untitled Spreadsheet. Click right on that text and type in whatever name fits your project, maybe monthly budget, workout log, or homework schedule. Naming your spreadsheet might seem like a tiny detail, but it's super helpful for finding it later, especially if you start using Google Sheets for lots of things. If you've already created something in Excel or have an old CSV file you want to bring into Google Sheets, that's easy too. Just head up to the menu at the top, click on File, and look for the Import option. You can upload your file right here and Google Sheets will take care of the rest, giving you all the benefits of online editing and automatic saving. Honestly, importing is a lifesaver if you're switching between programs or collaborating with others. On the flip side, maybe you want to take your new spreadsheet back to Excel, share it as a PDF, or just keep a backup copy on your computer. That's simple as well. Just go to File, then head down to Download and pick whichever file format you need. Whether you want an Excel file, a CSV, or even a PDF, you're covered. Google Sheets has you set for whatever you need. One of the best things, and this is a real game changer, is that Google Sheets saves your work automatically. Every change you make, every cell you update gets stored right away. You never have to worry about losing your progress if you accidentally close your browser or your computer crashes. It's a huge relief, especially if you're used to hitting save every few minutes in other programs. Now you might notice a bunch of tools and features along the top menu: editing, formatting, data analysis, but don't feel overwhelmed. We'll explore all those powerful tools in future videos. For now, you've just learned how to open Google Sheets, create, import, name, and download your spreadsheets, all in just a few steps. That's it for part 1. If this video helped you get started, please hit the like button so others can find it, and drop a comment with any questions you have or topics you want me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.